Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action. It's not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 10, NASDAQ down 22, S&P's off 1.5. Gold contract down $4.10, trading at $12.74 an ounce. Silver down 10 cents, $16.62 an ounce. Platinum up 16 bucks, $9.63 an ounce. Copper flat, $2.87 a pound. Light sweet crude off 63 cents, trading at $48.96 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 9 ticks, 126.12. 30-year bond up a full point, 155.05. Both notes and bonds, folks, continue to want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. No love for King dollar, folks. Down 69 ticks, 92.630. The euro's trading at 118.75 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We are at 246.98. You get a sideways market out here. Light volume. Jobs number tomorrow morning. I expect what you're probably seeing this jobs number, folks. Somehow the S&P wants to hit the high that was established last week, which would be 248. We'll see whether that high can hold. That's how it's looking. Dow Industrials, what do you have? Another day, another closing high. Yesterday, you closed out at 22,016, 22,026. That's what we got. NDX 100. What do you have inside the NDX 100? NDX 100. Down 23 bucks. You are at 58.91. Now, what 58.91 does, folks, it gets you in the lower range. So first, I suspect what we're going to get is this. You're going to get a test of last Friday's low, which is 58.47. Right now, you're at 58.91. Also, the range in this, once you got inside this range, the bottom of that range is 55.79, which was the lows of July. The composite. So that's the NDX 100. We take a look at the composite. Composite was down 22 bucks. You're at 63.40. And this just got inside the lower range. I mean, just made it, too, because 63.41 is the number. So I expect first you're going to try to test the 63.18. That was the low also of last Friday. Gold contract. What do we have inside the gold contract? Gold contract down 4 bucks, 197,000 contracts. Now, last night we hit 1262. My take on gold is this. I expect what we're going to see about this 1250 get hit. We went straight up from 1211, got up to the 1280 price point. Bottom line, you're coming into a couple different downdrafts from April as well as June. And these equities still aren't acting like I would expect them to act when you have an expansion of volume like this. And on top of that, we have the aspect of a Friday, and the dollar has gone down so dramatically that my take is that we should have had a much bigger expansion inside the equities, inside the gold equities, silver equities, all of the above. Bonds. 10-year note. What do we have with the 10-year note? 10-year note out here wants higher price. 10-year note up 8 ticks today. You're at 126.12. Your last swing point up here was 126.12. We were going into 750,000 contracts. You did 1 million. So that sets up that it should be able to launch that swing point. We have a high volume swing from the 14th of June. That's 127.08. I expect that's going to get at least tested. We go take a look at the 30-year bond. What you have with the 30-year out here, 30-year also had the price spread out here. We went from 153.31, so I call that 154, to 155.09. So that's a full 0.9 ticks. We were going into 172,000 contracts. We took that out with 205. So that sets up also that it wants to get up to the high. That high there is 157.08. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, bottom line, trading at 92,630. And, you know, this has been down since January 3rd. From the 6th of July, it's been like straight down. 6th of July, we were trading at 96,255. Bottom line, we put this on a continuous contract. What you're going to see is this. The dollar index had been in a consolidation since March of 2015. Now, we broke that consolidation. As soon as we got underneath the 93,155, you broke the consolidation. That sets up an $88, and you're at 92,630. That being said, I expect that you're going to get a bounce, and this is why. So when you come down too fast, folks, or go up too fast, the market loses energy, no matter what that is. It doesn't matter what vehicle it is. It could be gold, it could be silver, it could be the dollar, it could be equities in general, right? That being said, and we've been losing, you know, basically steam on the way down, you know, last 2 or 3 weeks. Hasn't been able to get a bounce yet. What I expect you're going to see, it's going to be a small bounce. That is going to be a B to a C of the ABC structure on the way down that will take this thing down into the 88 area. And if we break 88, then get out of the way, because 88 was the highs of 2008, the highs of 2010. You break 88, we're going to be down to the 78 area in about a heartbeat, and then it opens up the lows that were established out here in 2008, which are 70. And if that's where we're going, it's like, okay, what is the deal here? Because what happens, folks, is that, yes, you get a weak dollar, you can push a lot of goods out import-wise. But guess what? A weak dollar is not a strong country, is not a strong currency. It means that your economy is weak, not strong. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished down, no, up 9, NASDAQ down 22, S&P's off 2. We're going to be right back.
If you're an active